You installed a creative analytics tool and now you can see exactly which ads are winning, but you still can't ship the next winner any faster. If that sounds familiar, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know what separates a tool that shows you the data from one that actually closes the loop. The gap between seeing what works and producing what works next. So here's the thing. Most creative analytics tools do one thing well. They pull your ad data out of Meta or TikTok and organize it around the creative itself by concept, hook, format, and angle. That is genuinely useful. Instead of scrolling ad sets in Ads Manager, you get to see which hook style is carrying your campaign and which concepts burned out last week. You can even group ads by creative, spot the patterns, and know exactly where your spend is going. But honestly, knowing is only half the job. You pull the insight, open a doc, write a creative brief, send it to your team or agency, and wait 2 or 3 days for the first round of iterations. You review, request changes, and wait again. By the time the new batch is ready to go live, the winning patterns you spotted may have already fatigued. Your analytics tool showed you the pattern fast enough, but your creative production cycle couldn't match that speed, and nothing in your current stack was built to close that gap. The missing piece isn't another dashboard or a prettier chart. It's a platform that tags your creatives automatically, tracks performance across every network you run, catches fatigue before you notice it yourself, and then takes those winning patterns and turns them into your next batch of ads without waiting on anyone. That is the difference between reading a report on Friday and having new creatives ready to test on Monday. That's exactly why we built Segwise. It connects to 15 plus ad networks and MMPs, and our multimodal AI tags every element in every creative automatically. Video, audio, image, text, even playable ads, which no other platform does. You get an always-on AI creative strategist that knows your entire account and can answer any question about your performance in plain language. And the part that changes the workflow, Segwise takes your winning creative patterns and generates new creatives from them. Images, videos, and playables, ready to export in whatever aspect ratio each network needs. You're not waiting on a designer to interpret a brief. The data goes straight into production. Teams save up to 20 hours a week on tagging and data consolidation alone. Fatigue detection is built in, so you stop burning budget on ads that already peaked. And because every generated creative gets automatically tracked once it goes live, the cycle feeds back into itself and the data gets more useful every time. Try Segwise for free. The link is in the description and you're set up in under 5 minutes with no engineering.